Hey guys, today we're doing some pressure washing here to clean this concrete patio and sidewalk. As you can see, it's heavily soiled. Definitely a little overdue here on the cleaning, but still should clean up really good. It's a cold, wet, rainy day, but that kind of works a little bit to our benefit. Just kind of keeping everything wet and keeping all the soil on the surface at least kind of loose. So we're going to do this patio. The sidewalk goes around the house here. Look at his windows too. Up to the front step here. And then this little sidewalk going down to the city walk. He said don't worry about the city walk. Get this thing fired up. Going, try to beat the rain. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well, believe it or not, this is all cleaned up. It's all just leaf staining. I don't know that I've ever seen leaf staining so bad, so I figured this was a good chance to make a video. As you can see, I quit recording when I was going over it just because the results weren't very satisfying. But once we get all the soil off, what we do is we end up spraying it with bleach, and as you can see, I've already hit those two sections with bleach. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray down these next two sections and see if we can't see the actual effect happen. I might time lapse it. See what it turns. Alright guys, so everything cleaned up really good back here. See, the bleach is still working on where it was really bad over in here, but overall looks a million times better. This one, the homeowner's actually looking to sell his house, so definitely did himself a favor by cleaning it up quite a bit back here. He said he tried pressure washing it himself. Same thing with the leaf stains. A lot of people don't know how to deal with the leaf stains. They think it's dirt. They think it's not cleaning up. So don't pay too close attention to us as we're in the middle of working here. Everything cleaned up really good. You guys need any kind of concrete pressure washing, let us know. You can book us online, windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching.